ever feel like the night's just watching you?
Skyscrapers blink inside, like they know what's on my mind. Every crosswalk feels the same. Every heartbeat says your name. Caught between a dream and neon glow. I tried to leave, but something won't let go. Like a midnight film, you keep playing in my head. Colors fade, but you're still there. Like a midnight film, I rewind but never end. Can't escape the way you stare. You're my midnight film. Empty seats and moving lights, memories out of focus sight. I pretend I'm moving on, but I'm dancing with your song. Yeah, I see you in reflections, window glass and old projections. Tried to cut the real in half, but you're living every laugh. I was fine, I told my pride, but the silence breaks inside. You and I out of frame, still I call your name. One more scene before goodbye, let it fade into the sky. Like a midnight film, you keep playing in my head. No script, just words unsaid. Like a midnight film, I rewind but never end. Still alone in what we said. You're my midnight film. Sun is up, I stretch and smile. Chose my shoes, it's been a while. Caught the train, headphones on, feeling like the past is gone. Maybe today's the day I glow. No need to rush, I'll take it slow. It's better with